amongst his flagship policies is how Kenya can increase its revenue collection, how Kenya can reduce external borrowing, external debt, the money that we borrow from the International Monetary Fund, the IMF, also the World Bank, also rich nations like America, Britain, and China. So he has this idea that Kenya's GDP, which is projected to be 18 trillion, we can increase our revenue collection, which is at the moment 15% of this GDP, which is about 3.45 million approximately, and raise this revenue collection to 25%, and then this will bring us to about 4.5 trillion shillings in revenue collection. And this will help in a big way to reduce Kenya's borrowing, because guys, Kenya's total external debt is at 11 trillion.